Hi Aquarius, welcome to your reading, and this is for Aquarius Ascendant, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement in their chart. Jupiter may resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. Cross watchers, if I describe someone and you know that it is not you, it is not you. Just because you are connected with Aquarius, you're gonna assume that whom I'm describing here is you. Please don't. This is not a personal reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, welcome. You might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online wherein I am doing a live streaming, and in the live stream you can ask me questions. If you missed the live streaming, you can still ask me questions. There's a link in the description box. Click that link, you'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video, and your next video will be a full reading. So Aquarius, if you want to know your lucky numbers and lucky color, follow me on Instagram. That's dated March the 15th to the 21st. March the 22nd, moving forward, or to the end of the month, will be posted anytime soon. If you are into twin flame readings, almost personal readings, pick a card and channeled messages, please click the go to the other channel, Time is Tarot 111, also in the description box. If you resonate with the reading, congratulations. If you do not resonate with the reading, you can come back to the reading after a week or two. Time is fluid. If you resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, still congratulations, for I am doing a collective reading. So Aquarius, would appreciate if you can click the like and the subscribe. At sa ating mga kababayan naman dyan, I would appreciate if you can click the like button and subscribe na rin. Aquarius, your first line of cards here are the Two of Wands, Queen of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. And also the Empress. I can see here that there's a lot of ideas, that is popping in your head. But I can see here that, let's say, I can see your separation for a few numbers of you, right? Those ideas are initiate a conversation. Ask your person how their day have been, but you're resisting it, right? You might also probably in the verge of, but there is already like a push in the universe, but you're kind of like the resistance in you is very strong. Probably it's also, you think that this is a hard work for you, right? But you know it in your heart that this person is your wish fulfillment. I think that there will be a conversation that is about to happen here. Whoever this is, the conversation may not go really well. There's a lot of anger in this. A blaming game, if I may say. Because of this separation, I can see probably your person. One of the reasons is because there's an option here, right? One of the reasons here why there will be some blaming game is you left me out in the cold, ghosted me, blocked me. I am the one who's loyal here. I can feel that, right? Or you're holding back. Before, I was the one who's really working hard in this connection, wants to drive this connection towards to another level. Probably you have decided, right, that all of my hard work here is a waste of time. So someone already gave up on this connection. Do not want to exert an effort anymore. Because for them, whoever this person is, I gave you all I got. That's all I have. Felt like if you have a purse, right, that very single that penny that's left in your pouch, you even give it all. You even give your pouch to your person, right? You cannot give any more. Probably you already sold your. This is just I'm speaking a metaphor, okay? Kind of like you sold your things also. There's nothing more left. What more can I give? I gave you everything, right? Um, and this is it. I got exhausted. I'm done. That's how it felt like. Um, someone who felt also being used, abused. Although I can see here, because the Ten of Pentacles is here, this person who holds back in this connection is going to make a move here to offer some, let's say, to make amends, to compromise. Because of the separation, they see you in a different perspective. They see you very nurturing. Of course, you are very nurturing, right? This could be you, this could be the cross watchers. Cross watchers, if you feel like this is your reading, so be it. Aquarius, if you feel like you are in the cross watcher side, that's okay. I'm not reading which side you're at, I'm reading the energy. So with the Queen of Swords here, okay, Four of Cups, probably your person here also. No, do not want to talk before because, or not responding to this connection because they have someone in their mind. They have, you know, they're focused onto other things. It could be a person. It could be their career, their job, their family members. You know, especially for those people who's, let's say, connecting with their monster mom, monster in-law rather. You know, have you seen that movie with J Lo? I think the monster in-law. Right, they're giving much importance, especially if that is the if that is the, let's say, family, you know, their immediate family, then we cannot question that because they were their parents, you know, take care of them. That's okay. But when it comes to other things like uh, let's say vices, that's not acceptable, right? So I can see here that there will be some words that may be expressed here by the person that who gave up. That will create another tower moment. So just be careful on how you're going to express yourself. There's a lot of things. You can say what you want to say to your person in a different way. You know, it's not about the words, it's how it comes across. You may still say or express your feelings, not in a rude way. With the Two of Swords here, the High Priestess and the Queen of Swords really is here. So with the Queen of Swords, this is a very tactless person, you know. I think that whoever this person is, I think both of you are tactless here. There will be some clash, but I can sense that whoever going to this person who's going to apologize instead of clashing, this will do the right job. I can see here apologies. I think that your person is going to apologize, or it could be you, you know. But there will be some apologies here. I can sense that these will be fixed though. They're just holding it back. Yeah, brutally honest communication is about to happen. A reciprocation of communication, a brand new start. Is it a waste of time? No, something is about to happen. And they really see you in a different perspective now because of the separation. You might be connecting here with any water placements, or you have a water placement in your chart, Taurus, or has a Taurus placement in your chart, or they have a Taurus placement in their chart. There's strong Taurus here, Leo, or has a Leo placement in their chart, or you have a Leo placement in your chart. But this is your reading. If you resonate with this and you want to go in depth, you can book a personal reading with me. If you're okay with the reading and you just have a question or two, there's a link in the description box. Click that link, you'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video and your next video will be a full reading. Thank you so much for watching. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Bye, Aquarius.